Hello guys, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for the latest videos. So the first one is QuickPic. As you can see in my device, I don't get any gallery app. Like as you can see inside tools, we get the file manager and calculators and etc. But we don't get any gallery app over here. If your phone also doesn't have any gallery app, then quickly install this application. Launch the Play Store. In the search bar, write QuickPic. That is QuickPic. As you can see, QuickPic photo gallery. Quickly install this application. The rating is 4.6 and it's very small application, that is only 2.8 MB. And let's open it. And now as you can see, we get our gallery app over here. As you can see, we get to launch the camera app and we get all the images. So moving to the second one, this is the button mapper. We search here BUTTON. This button mapper, and I've already installed the application, so I am opening it. You will have to install. It will give some introductions. After that, we need to go to the accessibility and enable the permission. That is we enable the permission. And now we can customize our home button. Suppose we click on customize, we get what we will single tap to do, what we will double tap to do, and what we will long press. So we click on this one, and here are many options. You can pause the video and see them. So this is the way you can customize all of your buttons. Next is the Cheetah Keyboard. So we search CHEETAH, that is Cheetah Keyboard. I've already installed it, so let's open it. And we need to enable it. And we will have to switch it to Cheetah Keyboard. Maybe you are using the Gboard keyboard or the Samsung default keyboard, but you are bored of it, then you can use this keyboard. For demo, I am writing over here. So this is the Cheetah Keyboard. This is also a good customizer of your Android device. Next is the Oreo Launcher. If you are bored with the same Marshmallow launcher or the Nougat launcher, or if you are using Lollipop or KitKat and you are bored of it, then you simply need to install the Oreo Launcher. That is Oreo Launcher. So I've installed the third app. So let me quickly open it up. Now as you can see, it looks like the stock Android. That is very good. And this is really good, but the settings doesn't change. You cannot expect it. So like this. Moving to the fifth or the last one. So that is energy bar. So we have to go to the search bar and search here energy bar and search. We get this one. I've already installed, so let me quickly open the app. And first we need to grant access. Here we need to grant notification access. That is, we should allow it. And now let's go to the battery bar. As you can see at the top here, we get a battery bar. Bar thickness we can increase it up to 30, and we can even give it to 1, so that is so low you can even understand. And this is, my battery is in 38%, and it's showing a good thing. Bar thickness, origin of the bar, we can give it to center, so it's in the center, and we can also give it to right, so it will be in the right, and I'm keeping it on the left. We can also auto hide it on the full screen apps. So the apps which support the full screen, means it is the full screen app, we can hide on it. Now we can do charging animation, linear, no animation, acceleration. We can change the animations. We get color configuration, segments, mod segments, gradient. As you can see, the color is changed. It is a trial feature. Whatever, gradient, mod segments. So this is the different colors, and gradient segments, that is this one. And we can also configure the colors like this. We can even decrease this one, increase and increase, so like this. Again we can give it to segments, so that is the normal. Now as you can see, bar type is normal bar choose. It is choose normal bar. I'm giving it to status bar. So as you can see, the status bar is a bit different. That one was very light, but this one is covering the full upper part. As you can see, it's like the status bar. The length, means the breadth of the status bar, it is covering the whole breadth. So you can give it to normal bar, or you can enable status bar. That's as per your choice. So this one will help you to customize your device.